Hi and welcome to my jewelry land. Today I'm actually going to show you how I repair a pearl necklace which is from a customer. Is her necklace which is broken, and I'm going to show you how I redesigned this pearl necklace and make it fresh for her owner. Stay tuned and follow me. I'm going to show you how I do it. Remember to subscribe my channel, follow my Instagram page, and check out my website because there are so many surprises all the time there. Don't lose it. Okay, as you see, here is the broken necklace. I'm going to take out all the pearls and make a new necklace with a much more stronger wire, and you will see the process in the video. Now I'm going to show you how I pass all the pearls through the wire, and at the end I adjust the locks with some small stoppers. Now I add 2 stoppers into wire, and then I pass the wire through the locks and then turn it around and pass through the stopper, and at the end I press gently the stopper to attach into the wire and stick into the wire so it doesn't move at all. Then I cut the rest of the wire, and also I do exactly the same for the other part of the locks, and that's all. So you see how easy you can repair your necklaces or your bracelets in a very simple way. Okay, I'm coming back with some new videos soon. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. So much love.